Hello everybody, welcome to Henry Studios. Today we are making peppermint bark. A delicious winter treat! Okay, so you need an 11 by 17 pan with parchment paper and cooking spray. And now you need to combine these peppermint kisses with the white chocolate that you have. And now we're going to whip out our Santa spatula. And now we're going to put these in the microwave starting at 30 seconds and then scoot your way down to all the way to 10 seconds. So we're doing another 30 seconds, and then until you can really tell that they start to melt, work your way down to 25, 20, and then 10. And then eventually when they're all melted, you will be done, of course. Okay, so second time from the microwave. Wow, that's really melted. That looks good. So this is at the point where you are going to do it at about 25 seconds. Then the next one you will do 20 seconds. And then of course 15 and 10. Smells so good. Now 25 seconds. Okay, so now this is after 25 seconds. And now you mix again. Oh, this is going to be painful. Okay. Now this will probably start to melt while you mix it. It smells so good and looks not that appetizing. Definitely not that appetizing. Now you will add it into the microwave. Well, not add it, but you're going to put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then I'll see you in 20 seconds. Okay, so at this point you're going to want to gently tap the side to see if it's hot or not. And this is okay. The next time you're definitely going to need one of these things. Can't remember what it's called. But you're definitely going to need one of those. So this next time we're only going to do 10 seconds because, as you can see, it looks pretty melted. Yum. Okay, so now we're going to pour it in the pan. And you want to get all those areas covered. Well, not all, because it's not enough, but we're going to try our best. And then, of course, we'll spread it out with the spatula. I want to get all that there. Just going to scrape it. And then we're going to put the rest in there. And that's about all I can get. So, just gonna put this here. It's okay if you make a little mess. You can always wipe it up afterwards. And now we're going to spread it out with the spatula after I wash my hands. Okay, so now we're gonna spread it out. It's not gonna really cover all the pan because it's not enough. But you wanna try and get every centimeter and inch you can with the white chocolate. And you don't want to be able to see the parchment paper, else that means it's too thin. and it will slip and slide a little bit, but that's okay. And now, we're about good. Make a nice little motions. So you don't really want to do a lot of the peppermint in one place. You really just want like a tasting. Oops, my bad. You want to sprinkle it evenly if you can. As you can see, I'm not the best at doing this because it's not that even. But it just matters if it tastes good. And that's probably about good. So now we're gonna add our crushed Oreos. And once again, you just want a little bit of a tasting. Maybe a tiny bit more than the peppermint. So excited to try this. And get all the little spots. That's probably about good. Oh, and also you want this part too. And now you're good. And now, okay, so we're gonna let this cool on the stove for just about 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes, we will be putting it in the freezer for another 20 minutes. See you in a few. Okay, so now we are going to put this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes because it's actually hardened a lot. So it'll probably be fine after the 10 minutes. Okay, so we put it in the fridge because we didn't feel like the freezer was necessary because it was already hardened so much. So let's see how it is. That looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. Where do I put it? Okay, so you need some very cold hands. Well, not very, just some cold hands to break them. And maybe do this for like 5 seconds. Holy crap, that's cold. Okay, now you dry them off. Get a couple paper towels. Dry, 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 dry fast so they don't get warmer. Now we will start to break them. It'll be very hard though. Well, not this stuff. It's just going to be hard to break. Ooh, that's a long piece. Let's make it go. Let's try and lift it up. There's going to be lots of crumbs everywhere. That's okay. Try and pick it up. Oops. Just break, break, break. Ooh, that's a big piece. Okay. Break, break, break. Break. Break some more. Ooh, that's a big piece. Break. Break, 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 break. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. And now our Instant Pot's beeping. Thank you for watching, and here are a couple tips for your peppermint bark. You need to store it in the refrigerator. Also, if you want the cookies to be like in the peppermint bark, you should probably add them first and then do the peppermint and push them down so you make sure they're in there. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.